Welcome. Begin by settling into a comfortable position that feels best for you. This moment is for you, a space to slow down, breathe, and reconnect with who you truly are. There's nothing to fix right now, nothing you need to force.
Arrive fully in this space of potential. Find a physical container, sitting or resting, that supports your expansion. As your hands settle, let your shoulders drop away from your ears. Soften the muscles of your face, signaling to your system that it is safe to evolve. And when you're ready, gently close your eyes. Take a slow breath in through your nose. Hold it gently at the top and release it slowly through your mouth. Again, inhale slowly, filling your lungs. Hold for a moment and exhale, letting the tension melt away. One more deep breath in and release. Feel your body beginning to settle. Now allow your breathing to return to a natural rhythm.
Bring your awareness to the center of your chest, right where your heart rests. Imagine your attention gently sinking into this space, like returning home after a long journey. If thoughts appear, that's perfectly normal. Simply notice them and gently return to your breath. Inhale, exhale. If thoughts appear, that's perfectly normal. Simply notice them and gently return to your breath. Inhale, exhale. Now consider this truth. Your highest self is not someone you must chase. It is not a perfect version of you somewhere far away. Your highest self is simply the real you, beneath the noise, beneath the doubt, beneath the pressure of the world. So for the next few moments, allow yourself to create space for that version of you to emerge. Relax your forehead. Unclench your eyes. Let your tongue rest softly in your mouth. Release your shoulders. Soften your belly. Let your hands become loose and relaxed. Now imagine a small, warm light glowing in the center of your chest. Not harsh or bright, but gentle, like a candle in a quiet room. Steady, calm, safe. With every inhale, that light becomes clearer. With every exhale, it becomes warmer. Slowly allow that light to expand, flowing through your chest, through your ribs, into your stomach, down into your hips, moving through your legs, all the way to your feet. Now feel it rise upward, through your shoulders, down your arms, into your hands and fingertips, up through your throat, across your face, to the crown of your head. Now imagine, just a few steps in front of you, a future version of yourself, your highest self. Notice how they stand, relaxed, grounded, at peace. Notice how they breathe, slow, steady, certain. There is no need to rush in them, no need to prove anything, just calm presence. And the most important thing to realize is this: this version of you is not separate from you. It is simply you when you trust yourself fully. Take a slow breath in, and as you exhale, imagine the distance between you and this version of yourself becoming smaller, like fog slowly clearing. Inhale again, and gently step closer. Feel the energy of this version of you. You have felt it before. Maybe during a moment of courage. Maybe when you trusted your instinct. Maybe when you chose honesty over comfort. Now silently repeat these words within yourself. I return to myself. I trust my inner guidance. I move forward with calm confidence. I am becoming who I am meant to be. Allow these words to settle deep within you. Now, quietly ask your highest self one simple question. What matters most right now? Do not force an answer. Simply listen. Maybe a word appears. Maybe a feeling. Maybe just a sense of direction. Whatever arises, trust it. What is one small step I can take next? Just one step. Clear, simple, possible. Take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, imagine your highest self placing a warm hand over your heart. You feel a quiet sense of steadiness, clarity, confidence. Not loud or dramatic, just true. Allow that energy to merge into you, into your breath, into your posture, into the way you will move through your day. You do not need to become your highest self someday. You simply practice being them, one decision at a time. Now begin to return to the present moment. Feel the weight of your body. Notice the surface beneath you. Become aware of the sounds around you. Take one deeper breath in and slowly release it. Gently move your fingers, move your toes, and when you are ready, slowly open your eyes. Carry this with you today. You are not behind. You are not broken. You are unfolding, and your highest self has been within you all along.